Right, I'll be back. Rainbow lorikeets. These are not pets. As you can see, there's a large flock of them. Very noisy birds they are. Yes, the Australian kookaburra there. Earlier we saw the lorikeets, and we're not actually very far from the Sydney city CBD. In fact, if we walk over there, we'll be able to see the city centre. These birds are actually carnivores. They can be a little bit shy. They actually eat meat. They eat the snakes. They do feed on snakes. They feed on mice. So they do have a very distinctive call, and that is a laugh. I'm sure many of you would have heard it, and but they can usually travel in pairs at times. But this fellow's all by himself. He's a little bit shy. He's pretty quiet. But we'll have a look what he looks like from the rear. G'day, I'm Mick Angelhere from Mick Angelhere's Australia. Right now I'm in a place called North Sydney, which is the north side of Sydney, so to speak, and the northern shore of the Harbour Bridge. And we just saw earlier, I will show you some we saw the lorikeets earlier. Well, I'll show you a little bit later in the program, and the kookaburra, and they're all pretty close to here. That's right, the lorikeets that we saw and the kookaburra are this close to the city. That's the traffic heading north. So, up to 1964, when this freeway opened, this would have been all houses there, and we're looking towards the suburb of Neutral Bay. Yes, so this is part of Sydney, so some of you might be very familiar with this part. It's just another aspect of Sydney from a different point of view, really, from the North Shore. This is Mick Angelhere from Mick Angelhere's Australia.